Hey guys, Billy Davidson here, Davidson Pressure Wash Painting. I wish we was in Hammond, Louisiana tonight, but we're not. We're doing our dumpster route tonight. I'm about to come in here and treat it. I hadn't opened this up yet, so I don't know what I'm about to get into. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad at all. Okay. Yeah, we're about to get this one cleaned up. Let me grab my my solution here. I'm just kind of go low-key tonight. The guys are around the corner doing another one. I figured I'd come in here and hit this one real quick. Start to kind of get it prepped, ready to come in here and rinse it out. This one ain't too bad tonight, I'm glad. Little grease trap right there, obviously. I mean, where they pour all their fried stuff in. Yep, so yeah, we trying to get this knocked out tonight. We're gonna do a bunch of them tonight, about 15, 16 maybe, and work our way back towards the shop. I wanted to tell y'all something real quick. Let me move over here. I've been getting a lot of questions on our mixing ratios, so get that pumped up a little bit. So yeah, been getting a lot of questions on my mixing ratios and how I mix, what I mix. What I did, I put together a PDF file, and it's going to describe exactly how I've been doing my mixing ratios for years. I mean, it's what I use pretty much every day. Obviously, you know, there's a little bit of tweaking here and there, but for the most part, especially if you kind of wondering what mixing ratios you need, this takes the guesswork out of it. A lot of guys want me to, you know, let them know what it was and all that, so it takes a lot of time to tell each person that. So what I did, just make it easier on you and me, I put it in a PDF file. I mean, and you can go look at it and keep it. You know, it's yours to keep once you get it, and you're gonna see it makes everything so much easier. In that little format, I describe how we do downstreaming, X-jetting, pump up sprayer, that sort of thing. What you need to mix, how much, what you need for different surfaces, and all the good fun stuff. And yeah, so I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you can go check that out. Or if there's anything other training products you need, that'll be in there too, so you can take a look at it. Otherwise, we getting this done because we got a little storm coming through in the next day or so, as they say. I don't watch TV, hadn't watched TV in years, but kind of try to keep up the news a little bit. But so we better get this done because we're kind of behind on our work, to be honest, right now. We've been swamped the last few days getting a lot of roof washing done. We got some other stuff, some exciting stuff I'm going to show you. I actually got it recorded already, but I just hadn't had time to go through it. And sometimes with these, you're trying to get together with some of these videos, the customer walks out, and it's not fair to them that I put him on the internet where potentially thousands and thousands of people are going to see him, and he has no idea. So, you know, I try not to do that. But so some of those clips I have to cut out. And the customers, they mean well. You know, they're just coming out to chit chat. You know, they just happy to see us there. You know how that is. So they've been waiting a while. So yeah, now when I come in here, I just do my thing. I ain't trying to make this thing look like no kitchen, you know. So we just come in here. We got our solution in this sprayer, and we just hit what we can hit, and they know it. This thing right here, their little I like to coat that down real good because I know they touch it. Yes, that'll definitely clean it up. It'll be sitting on there. they touch this often and get it nice sanitized. And I'm gonna let that soak, and I'm gonna hit it again real quick before I let y'all go. I need to mix me up a little bit more for my next dumpster. We're doing a bunch of them tonight, so yeah, it ain't nothing fancy about this. Pays pretty good, man. If you're looking to get into it, actually, you know what? You can the little link below for the mixing ratio. I have this training video in there as well if you're interested in it. So, I mean, you just click on a link and it's all in there. I had to kind of automate it because it was a little easier for me, a little easier for whoever's getting the videos. It kind of speeds everything up. I've been having guys wanting my training videos, and I'll be down for the count for about 10 hours. Sometimes I don't sleep for several days, and then when I do go down, I go down hard, and they be done trying to get in touch with me, waiting on their stuff that they done paid for. Not too long, but I still like them to have it whenever they ready for it. You know what I'm saying? I'm like that too. But if I'm ready for something, I'm ready for it. So that's why I just get it automated. That way I have more time to talk to you guys if y'all need my help or something. Yeah, I'm gonna hit this one more time before I let y'all go. Y'all chime in. Let me know where y'all at. We down here in South Louisiana, Southeast Louisiana, Hammond, Louisiana. I'd like to hear where y'all from, whether it's Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, wherever y'all guys from. It's interesting. I talked to a few guys out in Texas. Yeah, I talked to a few guys in Atlanta. I find it interesting to hear where y'all from. But yeah, we right here in Hammond, Louisiana. It's where I'm based out of. I'm not there now. I'm about 50 miles, 55 miles away from home. Middle of the night. It's beautiful though. I mean, that storm's coming. You couldn't even tell, and that's how it works, you know. Right before I let you go, I'm gonna hit this one more time. I got a little bit more juice left. It's almost empty. I'm gonna hit this one more time. Make sure I'm getting the other side of it. All right, guys, I'm out of here, boss. I'm getting tired, but actually, I'm about ready for some lunch. But ain't too much stuff open this time of the night. But yeah, that's cool, man. Anyway, check out the links below in the description. If y'all need my help, get in touch with me, and I'll be there for you, brother. Anyway, my name is Billy Davidson. I'm the owner of Davidson Pressure Wash Painting, and we'll talk soon. Hit that one more time. Come on. Alrighty. I gotta go refill and go get the next one.